All right, so I decided not to put any sand this year. We're gonna go with the filter balls, and they're very compressed, and this is gonna be enough for the filter system that we're gonna set up today. So let's go ahead and set this up. Now this one, it's gonna last me for the whole summer, but I do replace them every year. And look at this, you don't have to worry about sacks of actual sand, and you don't have to worry about, you know, removing them so hard. You know, this is easy to drain and just take them out, and that's it. They come compressed like this in this bag, so we're gonna uncompress them, and when we do that, we got to do it within somewhere close by because this is going to spread out really quick, so we got to make sure we're close by the actual filter. We're going to put the cotton balls in here too, so it could expand completely, but I'm going to start throwing them in here. Right now they're shrinked up, but when you add water, they're gonna raise up a little bit more, and you're gonna see above the actual minimum. If you see that you don't have enough, you can always replace and add some more. So right now we're just gonna take out the top, and we're gonna add some water in a bit right now, so we could actually increase the expansion of it. So right now we're adding the water, so we can see how much, if we're gonna need some more or this is enough. But it looks like it's gonna be enough right now. So they're gonna expand with water. We're just gonna fill it up halfway so we can let it expand, all right?